Imagine you lead a sales team. Your number one job is to build customer relationships and close deals, but you're distracted by bookkeeping, note-taking, and other drudgery. Copilot lightens the load by improving collaboration and automating tasks in your sales workflow. Copilot understands what it means to be a seller, and it can even help if life gets in the way. Let's check it out. It looks like you have a dentist appointment that conflicts with your weekly business review. What if you could do both? With Copilot, you can follow a meeting and catch up to see what you missed, even if you can't attend. You'll get a notification in Teams when the recap is ready, and you can see the content that was shared, detailed notes, and any action items. You see there was some discussion about your customer. You can ask Copilot specific questions to get more context, and it provides a detailed response. You can ask questions like why a certain decision was made, or what other options were considered. And it provides citations with a snapshot of the transcript. It's a huge time saver. So that was pretty cool, but the real magic of Copilot happens during a live meeting. Here, you're in a meeting with your team. You can ask Copilot to summarize what's happened so far. You can see who said what points were made. Copilot is really capturing the spirit of the discussion. As the meeting progresses, you can check on where people stand. You can even ask Copilot what questions are unresolved. It is just incredible to see this happen in real time. Teams has changed collaboration forever, but it can also be hard to keep up with all those chats. Copilot can help you stay on top of it all by summarizing Teams chats so you know what you missed. Here, you were asked for an update on the customer, and Copilot can help there too. You can simply ask Copilot to create a summary of all the customer conversations. It produces an overview with citations so that you can verify, refine, and post. You just received an invitation to brainstorm in a Loop workspace. You may not have heard of Loop. Loop is a multiplayer collaboration canvas with Copilot as an AI peer to your team, along with everyone else. Let's try it out. Here, the team is collaborating in real time on product offers and pricing, adding notes and action items to keep everyone on track and up to date. You can ask Copilot to pull data from Excel on the top selling products by category, and within seconds, it's processing the information. Another member of your team jumps in and adds a column. And anyone can prompt Copilot to build on each other's ideas. Everything is captured in prompt history. Now you can close out the action item and get ready to meet with the customer. And for that, you turn to Viva Sales. Viva Sales brings all your key sales processes and data to Microsoft 365 and Copilot. It lets you focus on connecting with your customer and closing the deal. And it works with your existing CRM like Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Salesforce. As the sales meeting starts, you quickly use Copilot in Viva Sales to scan CRM data to get the latest, including an account overview, recent engagements with the customer, and their key areas of focus. All the information you need to have a productive conversation. When your customer asks how your product compares to one of your competitors, Copilot gives you a suggestion from your sales materials. As the meeting ends, Copilot recaps the call to clearly outline next steps. These meeting details are saved right back to your CRM. Afterwards, you are ready to follow up on the meeting and send a proposal. With the simple click of a button, Copilot gets you started. You can make any adjustments and include additional details before sending. And when the customer accepts your offer, Copilot and Viva Sales automatically suggest an update to CRM to close the opportunity as one. At work, we all have unique and sometimes tedious tasks we wish could be automated. And at Microsoft, we have incredible workflow and automation tools, but they are not always accessible to everyone. Copilot unlocks all of that. Everyone, not just developers, can now automate the repetitive work with Power Automate. You've made the pitch. You've won the business. Now you need to deliver and be there for your customer. You want to be notified whenever there's an urgent support issue for your accounts. And you want to create a collaborative space for the account team to solve the issue together. With Copilot and Power Automate, you can automate both these things in minutes using your own words. As you review the suggested flow, it's looking good. With a little more direction, Copilot can write a summary of the problem, post that summary in the appropriate Teams channel, and tag the right colleagues to resolve the issue. This now gets seamlessly added to my workflow, getting it just the way I want it. Here you can see in action with your posts in a Teams channel and the full team ready to jump in and resolve a delayed delivery for your customer. This is an amazing time saver for every customer from now on, and you built it in just a few minutes. Through Copilot, Power Automate is now an essential part of work for everyone, just like Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. You can see how Copilot is a game changer for business processes, not just for sellers, but every other line of business: marketing, finance, customer service, and more.